All right, friends, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be one of the best you have watched on YouTube because I'll be teaching you guys how I flip my small trading account. Any day I'm interested to flip a trading account, I'll be showing you guys the right way to do it safely so that you are not going to be blowing up your trading account and losing money to the market. Now, there are rules of engagement when it comes to account flipping, which most of you guys don't know. One of them is loading the right day to flip account. Okay, you have to load the right day to flip account because every day comes with different price action in the market, which I'll be showing you guys in this video how to navigate on all these price action. Now, for example, looking at my chart, you observe what I have here. You see, this is a kind of day that the price action was consolidating. Now, most people that will flip account on this trading day are going to lose their money because the mindset they have is, okay, the market will expand. It will expand very soon. And some of them will even change their direction because as the market is consolidating with that specific direction, most of them will start flipping that direction to the opposite side, and then they just lose their money. Okay, there are days like this. I'm going to teach you guys how to navigate this kind of price action day if you want to make money. Okay, then there is also days like this. Okay, this is one thing you guys need to understand. Days like this, if you want to flip account, the market will definitely move. Okay, but there will be so many retracement in the market on this particular trading day. Now, days like this, we don't stack the trade on our trading account. You know, there are different types of account flipping. You can be stacking your trade, you know, as the market is expanding. Now, that kind of price action is this one. As the market is expanding, we have days like this that the volatility is very, very high. Now everybody can even make money. You know, just keep stacking your trade as the market is expanding. Now we have to know the days that price action will be like this. Okay, for example, expanding, and how to capitalize on it because these kind of days are majorly for account stacking, and most importantly, days like this because most times in the market, this is the type of price action you guys will see. Okay, when price will retrace, expand again, retrace. This kind of day, we don't do account stacking. Just imagine you stack your trade up to this level and the market started retracing, pulling to the downside. You are going to blow up that account. So these are the things that most people don't know. They just keep, you know, once they hear account flipping, the next thing that comes to their mind is, okay, let's start this trade. Let's see how much we can make that day. That's why most people end up blowing up their trading account, and then they think it's just the market, not knowing that they don't know how to do this thing the right way. Now, the first thing we want to learn in this video is how do we approach price action days like all these ones I just showed you guys. Okay, how do we trade days like this, consolidation days like this? And most especially, where I want to dwell more on this video is how to trade this kind of days, because this is the one you're going to see the most as a forex trader. Okay, and another thing again is how to navigate on this kind of price action day, because you need to know when the market want to start pulling to the upside. Okay, now I want to start from days like this. What we want to learn from here on days like this, because definitely you are going to have days like this in the market where the volatility is very high. Let's take a look at some examples on daily time frame. Example at days like this, you see the volatility here very high. Days like this for bullishness, for bearishness as well. You can see days like this, days like this, the volatility is very high. You can see them right here. People make so much money. But you need to know the right time to start engaging the market. Okay. Now, one thing that is very, very important as a forex trader, and one thing I always tell my mentorship student is this. Okay, you have to know when the low of the day is formed for a bullish day, and also you have to know when the high of the day is formed for a bearish day. This is the most amazing skill you can carry into the year 2025. Okay, for example, let's take a look at these days now that we have so much volatility. Okay, something like this, these days that we want to stack the market. Okay, so days like this, the most amazing skill is knowing when this low of the day is formed. Okay, because price not just open and then start firing to the upside. It doesn't work like that. Then after that, after the low of the day is formed, then all we just need to do is just keep stacking this thing, keep stacking this thing consistently. Although I'm going to create a video on how to stack accounts, I'm going to do a live trading on that video. Just keep stacking this continuously from London session, from London key zone into the New York key zone consistently till the end of the day. Now, the account stacking is not the problem, okay? Because even the child can know when to stack account, how to place multiple trades. The most important thing now here is how do we know that the low of the day is formed. Now, I want everyone watching me right now to pay up attention to what I want to say next. Okay, if you're an ICT trader or a smart money trader, you should have this indicator on your chart. I've done a video on this YouTube channel on how to set up this indicator, this key zone bosses. The role of this indicator is to show us the different key zone in the market: London key zone, New York key zone, even the shark key zone, but I'm interested in just the two, London and New York key zone. Now, when you go to 1 hour time frame on the pair you want want to trade, most especially currency pairs, and I am most interested in euro pairs and GBP pairs. Okay, now 90% of the time your low of the day or high of the day will be formed just inside this London key zone. You can see the London key zone is the yellow shaded area, while the New York key zone is the green shaded area. You can see this bullish day, the low of the day was formed inside this London key zone. After this low of the day is formed, you know what to do next. If you want to keep stacking, I've told you guys it depends on the price action day, the nature of price action. There are days you stack. Like for example, if you stack these days now, you're going to make money. Just keep stacking to the end of the day. Okay. But the amazing skill is that the low of the day is formed inside this London key zone. You can't just come to the market the day you want to flip account and just jump on the market. No, make sure the low of the day is formed. And I'm going to show you guys how to go about it. Okay. Let's take a look at example. You see it's there. Just keep scrolling here. Low of the day. This is current day price action. I'm sure low of the day will be formed here if it's going to be a bullish day. And if it's still going to be a bearish day, the high of the day will be formed inside this yellow shaded area. High of the day was formed here. This one, the low of the day was formed this London key zone with this wick here. You can see, but just that we had a very deep retracement prior to the New York key zone. But however, this is the type of example I was telling you guys. There are days that the market will retrace. All right. So this one, if you are starting from another session and the market retrace like this, you may be in problem when the market start retracing like this. That's why you need to learn more on this video. Okay. If you just screw to the market, like I told you guys, there are days that the low of the day doesn't form on this another key zone. That's why I said 90%. Okay. For example, if the market has been expanding during the Asia, just watch that video I did on this Northern and New York key zone. It's going to give you guys the rules. Okay. If the market have expanded more than 20, 30 to 40 pips, you can't expect London to come back again to form so the market will just, there are ways of approaching all this market. There are times whereby the market just continue in London and then New York still continue like that, and then they kept pushing to the upside. But in a nutshell, most of the days, you can see this day, the low of the day was formed here, the market pushed to the upside. This one, the high of the day was formed almost around this London key zone, and then the market dropped. Here was a consolidation day. I've told you guys we have days that are consolidating, and this one will be the last one. Here, the high of the day was formed exactly in this London key zone. So this is the first thing you need to know, how to know the high and the low of the day. Then the next thing we want to know is, now the next question that will be going to your mind now is, how do we know if the low and the high of the day is formed? Okay, you know what I'm going to do, there's a video I'm going to link to this one. I've also done that video in the past, how to navigate your way in this London and New York key zone. I'm going to target with this very one because I want to spend much time on knowing when price will be on this kind of price action, when to expect this kind of price action, when to expect this kind of price action, and how to trade this kind of price action. Because this video, the goal of this video is how to flip account from from $10 to $1,000, from $5. I've done it in the past from $5. I did $5 to $500. I posted it on this YouTube channel. Okay, now how to expect this kind of price action? This is how it works. Okay, first of all, let me go to this daily time frame. It's all about this daily time frame price action. Now, if you take a look at this price action on this daily time frame, you will observe a pattern on this daily time frame. Okay, you see the market will do something like this, and then come back to the balance, and then expand. Okay, so it's like the market is going from range to range and so on. This is the amazing part I want you guys to pay attention to. You see, if the market is in the range, okay, the range means, for example, from here, all right, from this place to this place, this was the previous range. Okay, then the market now retraced back. So this was the recent range before this one. Now this was the retracement back into the range. I'm not interested in this retracement. Okay, I'm interested in this move outside the range. This is the amazing part of it. Now, when the market want to move outside the range, okay, on this daily time frame, chances are, in fact, 80% of the time, most of the daily candles are going to be high volatility trading day. You can see it right here, big candle, big candle. We are not interested on all this bullish move because we are interested on the bearish move. The direction is bearish. You can see big candle. Even this one too. This is an example of that one I told you guys that there will be retracement in the market. So if you see it like this, expect big candle until price go outside this range. Now, when price go outside this range, that is when you now start expecting maybe consolidation day or retracement day and so on. But in as much you want to trade outside of this daily time frame range, just be expecting big move in the market. This is the secret on how to separate, know this type of days. Okay, because this is how to know when to expect this type of price action on any trading day, and how when to expect this type of price action. If you observe, you will see I'm more interested in this type of price action and this type of and this type of price action. Now, this type of price action, this ranging price action is when price is outside that range I showed you guys on daily time frame. And most time when price want to retrace back into that range I showed you guys on daily time frame. You see, that's why I don't pay much attention to days like this. And this is one of the days that most people want to struggle. They want to place their trade, they'll just want to. This is not how it works. We are interested in when price want to leave the range on daily time frame, just like as I showed you guys right now. When price want to leave the range on daily time frame. If you watch all this price action here, from here to here, just pay attention to only the bearish days. You will see that we have great momentum, okay, on this bearish day, bearish day, bearish day. This is how to separate these two type of profile. And with this information, this can even help you on your day trading, okay? Now, how do we place trade on trading days like this? That's the last thing I want to talk about. How do we place trade on trading days like this? This is what I teach my mentorship students, and this is what I'm showing you guys right now. So it's a secret I'm giving to you guys. And for those of you that are interested to trade with me live the year 2025, you have the chance to enroll now with the link in the description part of this video. I'm going to drop a WhatsApp link in the description part of this video. You are going to learn everything. Like, we have a session for small account growth, account flipping, account stacking, prop firm trading, and everything you need to master on this technical analysis to help you make decisions. And apart from that, you have access to my trade signals every week. I promise you that. I can guarantee you that every trade I place in the year 2025, you are going to have access to them. So it's an opportunity for you guys to make money alongside as you learn. So use the link in the description part. Now, this is how I place trade on a trading day like this, that there will be retracement, because the whole difference between here and this one is the retracement part of it, okay? Now, this is what I do. If I want to flip, first of all, I have to know the account size I want to flip. Like, I have done $5, I have done $10. I'm going to use $10 as an example because that is what most of you guys are going to be using. So what I do is, when the low of the day is already formed, after the low of the day is already formed, like somewhere here, I will place my first trade with my first $10. So I'll place my first trade, risking that $10 in my account. I'm going to place only one trade at this level here. I'm not doing stacking, okay? So as I place this trade, I'll wait for the next retracement. Now, risking that $10 in my account, the lot size is going to be 0.1 lot size or 0.05 lot size. If I'm trading Euro USD, I can use 0.1 lot size. If it's GBP USD, I can use 0.05 lot size, okay? Now, when I place this first trade with 0.1 lot size, I will wait for price to retrace now at this point. At this point, I am entering with 0.1 lot size again. So altogether, 0.2 lot size, and wait for price to expand. As price expand, I'm waiting for the next retracement. I've done a video when to know when the retracement is over. For example, if you take a look at this kind of retracement right here, you see that there are two types of retracement here. Price retrace, people will think it's about to put to the upside and then it drop. I've done a video on that. I will link it to this very one. So you don't make mistake to think this is the point where the market want to expand. So you wait for this one here, okay? At this point, you take another trade, 0.1 lot size, and then at the end of the day, you will find out that you have used up to one standard lot. The goal is to use at least one standard lot on a particular trading day. Depend on the type, it depends on how many retracements that took place that day, okay? So if you start it from London session, you continue it from New York session until the market close on that particular day before you can start pulling out some of your profits. And you can still replicate this whole thing the next day you want to trade. For example, all you just need to wait for low of the day to form and then replicate the same thing I just showed you guys on this particular trading day. So you can, this is one of my secrets that I do. If I'm interested to move $10 to 1K, I can just do $10 to $100 this particular trading day and then wait the next day to move that $100 to $1,000 because it's the same process of moving $10 to 100 and moving 100 to 1,000. Okay, so 2 days I am done moving $10 to $1,000. This is the right way to flip account, the safe way. Not all those things you guys go online to watch, those stuff, they just help you guys blow up your account. That's not how it works. This is how it works. I have done it and I won't stop doing it. The year 2025, January, February, we have started. Keep smashing it back to back. So use the link in the description part of this video to be part of our trading team this year 2025. I will see you guys in the trading room. Peace.